Here's an ideal gases example you can screenshot and try yourself. For the first part, you want to use PV equals nRT, rearrange that to make it N equals PV over RT, sub all the values in, so 1.2 times 10 to the 7 pascals times 0.05 meters cubed over 8.31 times the temperature in Kelvin, so that's 273 plus 21, and all of that gives you 246 moles. For the second part, you just want to use moles equals mass over mR, so that's N times mR, which is 246 times by 0.029, which gives you an answer of 7.1 kilograms. For the next part, you first want to work out the moles of the air added, so use PV equals nRT rearranged, so that's PV over RT, sub in all the values, remember to convert temperature to Kelvin, and you should get an answer of 61.4 moles. We then need to add that to the number of moles that are already in the container, which we've already worked out as 246, and you should get an answer of 307 moles. And finally, you can put that value into PV equals nRT rearranged as nRT over V. Remember your V this time is 0.05 to give you 1.5 times 10 to the 7.